Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of L&T new launch project named as Ahana, which is located bang on Western Express Highway. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel, and right over here is the Western Express Highway on the opposite side. This road leads you to Goregaon, and this side leads you to Andheri. In this video, we are going to be talking about the following points, which include project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you inquire once, a number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. It will be constructed on a land parcel of 1.75 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 60 floors and ground plus 30 floors with configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK of luxurious apartments. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located bang on Western Express Highway. As you can see, right here is the Western Express Highway. Malad East, with Kurar Metro Station at a distance of just 2 minutes, Malad Railway Station at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities which include swimming pool, mini theatre, badminton court, gymnasium and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has 3 configurations, 2, 3 and 4 BHK with 2 BHK ranging from 800 to 900 square feet, 3 BHK ranging from 1200 to 1400 square feet and 4 BHK ranging from 1900 to 2100 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the exact project details. Will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat, will help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of L&T Ahana located in Malad East, bang on Western Express Highway. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about this upcoming amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.